Ooh. Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 favorite foundations for mature skin. I'm over 50 years old and I've been testing out a ton of foundations and I've whittled it down to the top 5. Everything from affordable to high end. I find it challenging being over 50, finding the right foundation that's going to offer me coverage, comfortability, no cake face, and let's throw in some skin loving ingredients while we're at it. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. So here we are with 5 favorite foundations for mature skin. If you're new to my channel, I have hyperpigmentation, I have fine lines, I get redness, and of course I do get occasional pimples. Oh yes, it's true. This is super exciting. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. My first top 5 favorite foundation for mature skin is the COVERGIRL+OLAY Simply Ageless. This foundation is beautiful. It offers wonderful coverage and it has like a mousse-like texture. Let me show you what it looks like through here. And it smells really good, but it is mixed with ingredients from oil of Olay. Now, the great thing about this foundation is it leaves your face so hydrated and so soft, and it offers wonderful coverage. You can also pick this up at any drugstore, so the availability and the affordability is fantastic. I love the COVERGIRL+OLAY Simply Ageless. Okay, I can't wait to reveal what this foundation is, but you're just gonna have to keep on watching. Okay, my next top 5, and I absolutely love this foundation. Now, having normal to dry skin, I do love a luminous glow. So it's no surprise that I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. Now, this foundation is very sheer, but it's easily buildable. And I find that the coverage was stunning. And I love the components as well. But this foundation is simply stunning. As you can see through here, and when it dries down, it still has that beautiful luminosity that I absolutely love. This is one that I reach for quite often. The coverage is fantastic. It's super comfortable and it just offers such a beautiful glow to my 52-year-old skin. But yeah, I absolutely love this foundation and the lasting power is great. So that is the ABH Luminous Foundation. You're probably going to be a little surprised about this foundation because it is a matte coverage. Now, being over 50, I tend to steer clear of matte foundations because it can make my skin look dry and look aged. But this foundation is stunning. And there are certain tips and tricks that you can use to make your foundation look more luminous. It's all in the primer. Now, if anyone knows me, you know I love the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. It offers a clean canvas for my face, especially in my troublesome areas. I know matte foundations are a little scary, especially at our age. We don't want to look aged and we don't want to look cakey, but underneath the foundation, I've found if I use an illuminating primer, it gives just enough glow to peek through that matte foundation. Now there are several beautiful illuminating primers that I love to use on the perimeter of my face. One is the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminous Base Tint. This is so gorgeous. I know I talk about it all the time on my channel, but it just offers just a little bit of illuminating right under your skin, and it's got a slight tint to it. And once you spread it out on the perimeter of your face, it just gives your face a natural glow. And it's also stunning without makeup. You could just use this as your base. But that's one, and this is super affordable. It's only $4.99. Now the next one I love to use is the Tarte Brighter Days Illuminating Primer, another fantastic product. Now this one is way shinier than the Dewy Lumina from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to show you the difference. This one literally has got a pearly essence to it, but still it offers such a beautiful glow on your face through a matte foundation. And one more I'd like to add is the Flower Beauty In Your Prime Illuminating Primer as well. Stunning, stunning product. But that's what I love to use under a matte foundation. Very different, but they both peek through beautifully through a matte foundation. But what is this matte foundation? Oh my God, let me get to it. It is Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation. I absolutely love Dose of Colors products. Their foundations and concealers are simply stunning. The shade range is fantastic. I usually wear shade 113 during the winter, and during the summertime, I use shade 115. But it offers such beautiful coverage. And yes, it is a matte finish. It offers fantastic coverage. And I tell you, when I go on long trips, when I have to go teach ballet, this is my go-to foundation because it covers up everything. My hyperpigmentation, it doesn't settle into my fine lines. It does not get cakey, and this lasts for over 12 hours. Love, love, love this foundation. But that is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue. And like I said, I do like to mix in a little illuminating primer to make my face glow. Second favorite foundation is very similar to the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue, and it's affordable. So if you don't want to spend the money on Dose of Colors, oh my God, this foundation is amazing. It is the Cokie HD Foundation Skin Perfect. Oh my gosh, you can get this at Rite Aid, and I believe it retails for $12.99, but this offers great full coverage. It's super comfortable, and it doesn't transfer. Let me show you what it looks like through here. And it looks super bougie and expensive. It's got a frosted glass and a black plastic pump. This Cokie foundation is stunning. It's super lightweight. It offers great coverage. It does not budge. Now it does dry down to a natural finish, but with any foundations that I use, I always top it off with a dewy setting spray. One of my favorite setting sprays is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. But another affordable setting mist is the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. This keeps your foundation and your makeup locked in place all day. It smells amazing, and it's super affordable. I think you can get it for $6.99 at Ulta. Look at the mist on this. Super fine. And it smells amazing. And here we are to numero uno, number one, my favorite foundation for mature skin. Do you know what it is? Of course, it is the Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Foundation, and that's what I'm wearing today. Oh my word, this foundation is stunning. It offers full coverage, although it claims to be medium to full buildable coverage, but I find it just gives my face such a beautiful luminosity, and it doesn't transfer. It lasts for 12 hours, and it also has SPF of 45. Fortified with skin-loving ingredients from the Estee Lauder skincare line. This is my top foundation. I think it's beautiful. I think it looks natural. But this foundation comes in 20 shades. And if you're not sure about what shade you're in, at the Estee Lauder counter, they will use a shade finder to match you up perfectly. Now, this shade that I'm wearing is 2W1 Dawn. It just matches my complexion perfectly. It is weightless. It is comfortable. It looks like my skin, but better. And the fact that it has SPF 45, that is just the icing on the cake. Those are my 5 top favorite foundations for mature skin. What is your favorite foundation? Did any of these meet your hue? Now remember, everybody's skin is different, and we all have different skincare needs. And it's also in how you prepare your complexion before you put on foundation, what type of moisturizer you use, what type of primer you use, all the way up to the point of setting it with your setting spray. Did any of these foundations make your list? Leave a comment down below if it did. And if you have a foundation that you absolutely love, please let me know in the comment section down below. In my next upcoming videos, I will be sharing some more exciting reviews on makeup and skincare, so you don't want to miss out on it. So I hope you click like and subscribe. And remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And don't forget to click on my little head in case you haven't subscribed yet. I would love it if you would join my family. And for more videos on makeup and skincare, check out these videos up here. So mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.